Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, I wanted to do a quick little breakdown on one of our more recent swing trades, how we're up a little over $1,500 by holding this stock for about 2 days now. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you guys want to learn more about trading and investing in the market, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. It's awesome. Honestly, we talk about how to find undervalued stocks. We talk about strategies, so like entry, exits, risk management skills. And the biggest thing is it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. We teach you honest strategies that you guys can use to start making money. So check it out down below. You guys can use code Black Friday for 51% off, which is the largest sale we've done. So make sure you guys sign up. It's going to be limited time for that code. So use that code Black Friday, 51% off. And guys, let's jump into this here. So the first thing that I did here with the stock that I recently entered a position in is I understood that often with trading and investing, any action in the market is often an overreaction. So we saw Tesla stock squeeze up, a whopping, if we actually draw this out, a whopping 45% in the matter of 4 days. Now, it didn't go up 45% because of a good announcement, because of anything really that good going on. Yes, we did see Elon, work with President-elect Donald Trump for a lot of stuff, as well as, he did endorse him and he won the, presidency. But honestly, this growth was pure emotion based. There was a lot of emotion, fear of missing out. All of these people that were holding or wanting to get in on Tesla started entering a position. Now, at the time here, the average analyst price target for Tesla here is going to be near and around $237, right? So that is, just to put it in perspective, that is right here. Okay, let's delete some of these so you guys can see. So from that price target, right, which is most of the time it's a bullish price target, right? That's a crazy return, right? This is 53% from its price target. So we formed this nice trend line here, as you guys can see. So what I did is I entered a short. Shorting is betting for the stock to go down. Often with trading here, what we did is we found this trend line, we entered on that breakdown, and now what we're seeing here is this. We're seeing this nice little trend form, which in my opinion is really nice. So that trend here could continue for the stock to go back down to levels near and around, the $300 mark. Do I think we'll get levels back at 230? Probably not. But I do think we'll kind of see what happened here where the stock popped up and then started to stair step its way down. And you could even have done the exact same strategy here. A nice trend line, entered a short on the breakdown, and then the stock has been breaking down. And then you could even have done a long position on the breakout of that, right? So we're trying to play the field both ways. Now the stock popped up, entered a short. We're going to ride this down until it breaks up through that trend line. Doing that is a very simple strategy here that you guys can do. And just to put things in perspective and how fast this stock has ramped up, look at this. Literally $213 to $358 a share in under a month span. So 67% in under a month, in my opinion, is an overvalued point. On top of that, RSI was trading at the time, an 81. Now it's down to a 70, which is still considered an overvalued point for the stock. So we're going to ride this short out, see where it goes. But this is kind of the approach that I have as of right now here with my swing trade. We entered on this nice short here. We're already up, I think about 3%, which is really good. And, with trading, I know I explained it, but, don't expect to make $1 million right off the get-go. You guys will watch this video and maybe implement some of the stuff that I talked about today. But what I really want you to, really want you to try to do is to just focus on learning. Sign up with Moomoo, which is this broker that we're using here, and start drawing out these trend lines so you can go, okay, the stock has been rallying its way up. Let's delete some of these. Right, so all right, the stock is on a nonstop roar of buying pressure. Where's the best time to buy and short? Okay, best time to short would be on the breakdown of this and then a possible new trend going in that direction, right? Doing that, helping, start paper trading, and Moomoo offers paper trading. So check it out. You guys can get up to 20 free stocks by signing up with them. But guys, this is how we're already up little over $1,500, and yeah, we could get stopped out of this trade and lose money, but I think in the hindsight we're due for a little dip down, and that's what we're gonna see if we can catch some momentum on. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. Don't forget to sign up with Moomoo, sign up with our school, code Black Friday, 51% off. So check it out, and we'll see you guys. Take care.